So this is how you can add overlays in CapCut. Hey everyone, welcome to our guide for CapCut. Today you will learn how to add overlays to your videos. So let's get started by simply dragging down a clip. This will be our base clip, as you can see right here. And now let's say we want to add another clip on top. I'm just going to be using the same clip and pretend it's another clip. Now instead of putting it to the side, you can put it on top to make another layer. There you go. You have now made an overlay. You can even add green screens. And let's remove the green part by tapping on this chroma key color picker right here. Change the intensity a bit. And there we go. That is how you can make overlays. And yeah, it's pretty simple. Just drag a clip, hold it up here at the black part or at the darker part, and it'll make a new layer. You can even put it below other layers. And there you go. That is how you can make overlays for videos. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.